Happy Purim, everyone! This is real life. This is Purim 2019. And since I've done a lot of tutorials and sharing about the Purim holiday, I thought it would be really fun to share with you what's actually going on now that I'm not planning anymore, but I am in Purim. So today's video is in collab with my friend Talia, who is my kindred spirit down under. She's a great, amazing Jewish mommy YouTuber down in Australia, and she is also planning to share about her Purim this year. So I thought we'd start off by sharing the craziness, the insanity in my kitchen that's been going on. I've been preparing for weeks, but this is like just what I've accomplished in a few hours today. I still have a lot of baking to do tonight. I'm packing up baker's dozens, 3-packs, and then some bigger Hamantaschen. This is all for a bake sale that takes place at our nursery school. So I'm really excited, but you know, I know a lot of people think about Purim and they think about Hamantaschen, so we're definitely doing that. And we're gonna just be filming what we do over the holidays. So look forward to this footage, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below about how you spent your Purim this year. Somehow I said yes to baking for the Purim Carnival. So while I did a couple hundred, like 300 some odd for the bake sale, I'm baking 700 large Hamantaschen today for our Purim Carnival tomorrow. All I can say is we're gonna have the best Hamantaschen in town, but I am very tired. There's a few behind me. We are making fig. We are making cinnamon apricot. We are making 4 fruits. We are doing raspberry. We have chocolate chip dusted with powdered sugar. Anyhow, baking, baking, baking. Hamantaschen, Hamantaschen, Hamantaschen. Thanks so much for tuning in, and Chag Sameach.
Let's start over again. אני מלכת אסתר, והראש יזר, אם אתם מידודי מהי היהודי. לה לה, לה לה, לה 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 לה.